Hello, how is everybody today? So I told the children I would send the video for the dot game that we did yesterday in Zoom. So here's our dot game. Now it is a piece of paper that I'm going to write on, and it'll only be able to be used once. So I'll have to print out more if I want to do another dot game, but you can do something at home where your child would be able to keep reusing this one piece of paper, so you don't have to keep printing it off, because yes, they should do it more than once. They should practice, practice, practice. So you can put it, if you have a sheet protector, just a regular sheet, you can put it in a sheet protector and then use the dry erase marker. If you don't have a sheet protector, it does also fit in a gallon Ziploc bag. Or you could even use an 8x10 picture frame and put it inside the frame, and then the child could use the dry erase marker on top of the glass. And then that way you'd be able to reuse it all over again. Just use, you would probably need a thin tipped one because these squares are pretty small. The thick markers would be hard. But those are options. So let's get started on our dot game. And we've used the stamp game a lot, and this is the next progression from the stamp game. So instead of using stamps on this one, we're going to use dots. And up here we have our numbers. We have our 1 for our units, and we have our tens, our hundreds, our thousands, and now we even get to have 10,000s. And all these little squares are where we're going to record all of our dots instead of using stamps. And then down here is where we're going to do some other recording. And over here is where we're going to write our numbers. And we're going to pick what numbers we're going to add today. So let me write a bunch of numbers so we can add them up. So how about we do 3,492. We can do 8,167. How about 6,589? We'll do 7,346. How about 9,621? That'll be good for today. And we're going to add these all up. So I have my addition symbol. Okay. So now instead of getting stamps to make all of our numbers, we're going to make it using dots. So first I need to do 3,492. So I'm going to need 2 units. So I need, not there. So we need 2 units. 1, 2. And then we need 9 tens. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, 9 tens. And we need 4 hundreds, 100, 2 hundreds, 3 hundreds, 4 hundreds, and we need 3 thousands. 1,000s, 2,000s, 3,000s. So I made 3,492. Now I need to make 8,167. So I need 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I need 6 tens. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 100, 100, and 8,000s. 1,000, 2,000s, 3,000s, 4,000s, 5,000s, 6,000s, 7,000s, 8,000s. So I made 8,167. Now I need to make 6,589. So I need 9. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I need 8 tens. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens. And I need 5 hundreds, 100, 200s, 300s, 400s, 500s, and 6,000s. 1,000, 2,000s, 3,000s, 4,000s, 5,000s, 6,000s. So I made 6,589. Now I need to make 7,346. So I need 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I need 400s, 100, 200s, 300s, 400s. 4 10s. 1 10, 2 10, 3 10s, 4 10s. Woo! I need 300s, 100, 200, 300s, and I need 7,000s. 1,000, 2,000s, 3,000s, 4,000s, 5,000s, 6,000s, 7,000s. So I made 7,346. Now I need to make 9,621. So I need 1, 2 10s, 1 10, 2 10s, 600s, 100, 200s, 300s, 400s, 500s, 600s, and 9,000s. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000. So I made 9,621. So now I have all my numbers with our dots. So now we need to count and see how much we have. So let's see what we have. We count our units first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10. So we're going to stop and I'm going to make a dot for our 10 units right there. That represents 10 units. Now we'll keep counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 again. Make another dot to represent our 10 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5. So I'm going to write 5. So we have 5 units. So we had these dots that we made, and I said that that is 10 units, and that's 10 units. And we remember when we had 10 units, we would change it, and we can change it into a 10. So we have 1 10, 2 10s. So we need 2 10s. So we're going to put 2 10s. 1 10, 2 10s. So we change those units into our 10s. So now let's count our 10s. 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s, 4 10s, 5 10s, 6 10s, 7 10s, 8 10s, 9 10s, 10 10s. We have 10 10s. So we'll make a dot for our 10 10s. This dot represents 10 10s. Keep counting our 10s. 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s, 4 10s, 5 10s, 6 10s, 7 10s, 8 10s, 9 10s, 10 10s. We have another 10 10s. Another dot. 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s, 4 10s, 5 10s, 6 10s, 7 10s, 8 10s, 9 10s, 10 10s. Another 10 10s. Another dot. Let's see. 1 10. Oh, we have just 1 10. 1 10. Now we have to take care of our dots that we made. Remember, each dot was 10 10s. And we always change our 10 10s into 100. So we have 100, 200, 300s. So we have 300s. So now we need to put up our 300s. 100, 200s, 300s. Now we can count our hundreds. 100, 200, 300s, 400s, 500s, 600s, 700s, 800s, 900s, 1000s. 1000s, and we'll put a dot down here And that dot is for 10 hundreds. Let's keep counting. 100, 200s, 300s, 400s, 500s, 600s, 700s, 800s, 900s, 10 hundreds. We have another 10 hundreds. Make our dot. All right, let's count. 100, 200s. We have 200s. 200s. So let's take care of our dots we made down here. Remember, this dot and this dot, they were each 10 hundreds. And what do we change our 10 hundreds into? Our 10 hundreds is the same as 1,000. So we have 1,000, 2,000s. So we got to bring 2,000s over. And now we got to make our 2,000s. 1,000, 2,000s. All right, let's count our thousands. 1,000, 2,000s, 3,000s, 4,000s, 5,000s, 6,000s, 7,000s, 8,000s, 9,000s, 10,000s. We'll make our dot because we have 10,000s. 1,000, 2,000s, 3,000s, 4,000s, 5,000s, 6,000s, 7,000s, 8,000s, 9,000s, 10,000s. Stop. Another 10,000s. Make another dot. Let's keep counting our thousands. 1,000, 2,000s, 3,000s, 4,000s, 5,000s, 6,000s, 7,000s, 8,000s, 9,000s, 10,000s. Another 10,000s. So we need another dot. And then 1,000, 2,000s, 3,000s, 4,000s, 5,000s. 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 Oh, now we have some dots again we have to take care of down here. Remember these? This was when we got to 10,000s. We've never had to change when we had thousands. We never had something bigger. When we have 10,000s, we call it 10,000. So we have 1 10,000, 2 10,000s, 3 10,000s. So we need to have 3 10,000s. So let's make 1 10,000, 2 10,000s, 3 10,000s. So now we have 3 10,000s. So let's count. 1 10,000, 2 10,000s, 3 10,000s. We have 3 10,000s. Wow, look at this big number we made. So we had 3,492, 8,167, 6,589, 7,346, 9,621, and we added it all together, and we have 35,215. Wow, 35,215. We made a really big number. I bet you can make a really big number too. So have fun. And when you fill one in, maybe you can save it and show it to me. I would love to see it.